Welcome to the Edmodo version of Math Reasoning and the bar model. Please note that using the bar model and reasoning is not a trick to memorize in math. Both reasoning and the bar model are to help you understand math better. My expectation is that each of you will gain a stronger understanding of what happens when you add, subtract, multiply, and divide, and what situations are best for each operation. In addition, the expectation is that each of you will learn how to draw a representation of a problem and then use that drawing to figure out what operation needs to be done to solve the problem. The first two presentations, our 8 problems, will get you used to working from the bar model drawing and deepen your understanding of both how to use the drawing and your understanding of operations. You should have a sheet of paper with your name on it and folded so that you have 4 sections on the front side and 4 sections on the back side. Each problem will have its own section. You will write the math sentence that helps you solve this drawing. So let's take a look at this first drawing. The 2 parts are 17 and 9. And the question mark is asking, so how many do we have in all? Write the math sentence that would solve this problem right now. Stop the tape while you write your sentence. When you have finished, start the tape again and you will see my solution to this problem. If the 2 parts are 17 and 9, and we want to know how many there are all together, of course that's addition. So 17 plus 9 is 26. And that's the math sentence that you should have written. Okay, good job. Now move on to problem number 2. Go ahead and write the math sentence that this bar model represents and will help you answer what is in the question mark. Stop the tape while you write the sentence and then get ready to start again when you're ready to check your answer. Okay, this bar model shows us that there are 37 in all, and 15 is part of that 37. So one math sentence could be 37 minus 15, which of course is 22. Now you may have written this as a missing add-in sentence, in which case you would have written 15 plus what number would give you 37. And then, of course, that number is equal to 22. Either math sentence would be just fine. Okay, this is problem number 3. So see if you can write the math sentence that represents this drawing and would help you find out what is in the box that has the question mark. Please note that all 3 of these boxes do have the same value. The same amount is inside each box. Okay, this math sentence says that we have 18 in all, and it is split equally between 3 equal parts. So, of course, the operation that allows us to split some number into equal parts to find out how many is in one part is division. So the math sentence would be 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. Now you might have written this as a missing factor problem. You could have written 3 times what number would give you 18, and of course that number is 6. Okay, this problem is the last problem in this set of 4. Go ahead and write the math sentence that this bar model represents, remembering that each one of those bars have equal value. This drawing shows us that there are 42 in all, and we are trying to find out what is in 3 of those boxes. Now, when we look at the drawing, we see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal parts. So to find out how much is in one part, of course, would be division. 42 split into 6 equal parts means that there's 7 in each part. So that tells you that there is 7 in each box, but we want to know how many are in 3 boxes, so we have 3 groups of 7, and that is equal to 21. So there are 21 in all 3 boxes. This concludes this section of Bar Model and Reasoning Part 1. You can close this one down and go right on to Bar Model Reasoning Part 2 if you would like, or take a little break.